Hello there, and welcome back to Mickey Travels, and welcome back to another magical day. So today we're talking all about mobile ordering, and I know some of y'all are thinking, I don't want to stare at my phone while I'm at Disneyland, and I hear you, I don't want to do it either, but sometimes this is going to be the best option to get food, especially if you have your heart set on something. You might want to book it earlier in the day to make sure that you get the food you want for your vacation. We don't want you to come on vacation and not get the food you want, because that's important. So to order mobile orders, it's super easy. All you're going to do is pull up the Disneyland app. You're gonna head on down here to the little plus button, just like that. Click order food, and from here, you're gonna see all the different options that are available. If something's already booked up, it won't show up. So if you don't see the favorite restaurant that you're looking for, that means it's already booked up for the day. So you might wanna try to find something else. So as you see, it starts at Disneyland, because that's where I am right now. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see Downtown Disney, you'll see DCA, and you'll even see Disneyland Hotel. And it'll show you what's not available. So that's all really important to help you to be able to find exactly what you're looking for. So I know for the meal I'm booking for right now, we want to stay here in Disneyland, and we're looking to do the Hungry Bear Jamboree. Now here's where you can select your arrival window. It says the earliest we can do is 10:30, but I am not hungry for lunch right now, but I'm ordering it now so we don't have to think about it later. So I'm going to come over to about probably 12. 12 seems like a good time. And then from here, it'll bring up the menu. So you can go through and get whatever it is that you want. I know we're gonna do a barbecue salad with the beef brisket. That sounds good. I'm gonna go with the smoked Angus burger with pulled pork. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, look at the brisket burger. Tigers love brisket. Actually, I don't know if Tigger loves brisket, but this Tigger loves brisket. And no pickles or onions for me. I'm good without that. Okay, so we're gonna add that to our cart, just like that. So that's how you can make your different customizations. If there's items on it that you don't want or something, then you can do that. They're very accommodating about that kind of stuff, so don't be afraid to go look on there. You know, there's no shame here. You're on vacation, eat what you want. All right, and so with that, I think we just need a couple of beverages. We're gonna get one watermelon lemonade. You know, actually, I think we might make that 2 watermelon lemonades. That sounds really good. So I'm gonna come over here to my watermelon lemonade that's in my cart and click add one, just because that looks mighty tasty. I could go for some too. Oh yes, the watermelon lemonade looks so very sweet. Almost as sweet as a pot of honey. So now, after we do that, we go to review our order summary. All right, and that's gonna pull up everything that we have. It'll show us the arrival window, so you will have between 12 and 12:15 to come and pick up your food. So it's important to keep that in mind, and the app will send you reminders whenever it gets close to time, so that way you're there for whenever your food gets called. As you guys can see, any promos or discounts, you can put them right here. I have the magic key, so it's doing that for me there. All right, and now we're going to check out, and we're gonna blur this part. You don't need to see how I'm buying this. And boom! So it's all done. So we're gonna head on over to Hungry Bear whenever it's time, and we'll see you guys when we do. So while we're waiting for that order, I want to tell you guys more about what Mickey Travels has to offer. Mickey Travels is a diamond earmarked travel agency, which means Disney themselves has recognized Mickey Travels as one of the premier ways to book your Disney vacation. And Mickey Travels is a Disney exclusive agency, so you know that you're gonna be getting the absolute best Disney information possible, so you're going to be getting the most out of your magical Disney vacation. So next time you book a travel, book it with Mickey Travels, because you get all this expertise absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a cent, and you get the best Disney vacation possible. So go check it out. Link's in the description. All right, so it's 12 o'clock. We're here at Hungry Bear, here to pick up our food. So we're going to click the button, I'm here, prepare my order, and now we just wait until our number is called, which should only take about a couple minutes. And then we'll go pick it up from the window right here. All right, and with that, that's all you gotta do. I waited for maybe 5 or 8 minutes. They told me my number, and then I went and picked it up. So yeah, next time you're at Disneyland, Disney World, use this. It's a great way to not have to wait in line for your food. And also, for your next vacation, don't forget, book it with Mickey Travels, making magic one vacation at a time. We'll see you on the next one.